Alright everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove all this rust scale. I just broke some free right there. What you're going to need is a needle scaler. So I want to say right off the bat, the needle scaler is one of my favorite tools to use when it comes to taking care of loose rust. Now this isn't going to take it down to bare metal. This is just doing exactly what it's showing you. All the rust scale that is built up, all the stuff that is loose, the needle scaler breaks it free, so it makes it easier. Then when you get the sanding pad out, you're not making a huge mess. Otherwise, if you just hit this with the sanding pad, you're gonna have a dust cloud like no tomorrow. And I find this very satisfying to watch, the needle scaler at work, just chiseling away at all those little pieces and having all the rust just break away. So this was the axle at the end. Like I said, this is not from the needle scaler alone, but this is how far I got it. Now, of course, if you had access to a sandblaster, this would have been done a lot quicker, probably within a half hour instead of a few hours by like hand, but it is what it is. I used a bunch of tools on this job to try to get rid of most of the rust as I could. Like I started off earlier, there's the needle scaler right there, which works absolutely amazing. Then after I got all the loose stuff off with the needle scaler, I used the sanding pad, and then I went to another type of sanding pad, a smaller sanding pad, and then I went to our brush. So if you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.